So let's say that what do I do? 10 equals x, x equals y, y equals 10. Peachy keen. There's my swap. I think that I now want to have call swap. I'm going to ask the user for A and B. Yes. Okay, thanks. I'll fix it. So I'm going to make sure it's locked. Prototype this sucker. Any errors? Okay, so I'm going to enter a 5 and a 10. But guess what? It didn't stop. So is my algorithm working? Let's check by adding, so here's one of the number one things you can do to kind of see what's happening in your program. Let's put some cout statements inside our function to see if it's working the way I think. Maybe she lied. Maybe this lady doesn't know what she's talking about. So let's see if it's working inside the function. So I'm going to print what x and y are when I get them. I'm going to print what they are after the swap. And I'm going to try it again. And we'll be doing this tomorrow in lab. Okay, so the function got 5 and 10. And it swapped it to 10 and 5, but when I came back to main, it didn't swap. Can we see why that's happening? Yeah. So let's see what's happening now. So main has what? A and B, right? Which I put 5 and 10, is that right? Swap has what? X and Y. So what happens to pass by value? I forget. What happens to pass by value? So X got 5, Y got 10. I swapped them. But what happened to A and B? Nothing, because it was passed by value, meaning they were copied. So what should I draw? Pass by reference. And how do I do that? Don't forget the prototype too. And you'll witness that they're all watching me do this, so in lab tomorrow and they don't know how to do it, you're gonna, yeah.
Do you have to do and for both of them? Not just like in general, like
so every single variable in one pass by reference has to be, okay, I could have 10 variables, one could be passed by reference, but if I want it to be changed within the thing, then I have to put in my own individual ampersand for that one. But there's no reason you can't mix and match inside. Yeah, okay, I know what you're answering. And that's actually, we'll go, we didn't get to this, but okay, so 5, 10, and this time, in fact, it did. Let's see why. Let's see why it worked. So, what did it get in pass by reference? Is this guy good? What did it get in pass by reference? What did X get instead of a copy? Come on, come on, come on. What did X get? What does reference stand for? Address. So X got the address of Y. Kadeesh? Y got the address of B. So when I put forget what I did. Temp gets X, so temp got 5. X got Y. So what happens? This guy gets 10, and this guy gets 5. So what did I do to the actual variables that I set? Okay? I changed it. So for a short answer to a long, a short question, a long answer, if you are changing the actual argument, you need to use pass by reference. If you are changing the actual argument, you need to use pass by reference. We'll look at a couple more examples. Bring this